Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ram 3500 in a Tradesman trim, I believe, and powered by a 6.7 liter Cummins Turbodiesel inline 6, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with running boards down below, heavy-duty mud flaps on the front and rear. You've got some nice accessories there, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, and reveal some storage bins underneath, as well as having 2 cup holders in the middle there. Then looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, you have power folding flip-up tow mirrors. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 19,446 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, as well as your manual gear shift buttons. And then on the left, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, vehicle info, including maintenance information, driver assistance settings and information, your fuel economy, your trip information for A and B, trailer tow status, your now playing, messages, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You also have your hands-free radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel, but then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio Sirius, USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your app screen for all of your controls in one convenient place. You have back cam and cargo cam, which kind of pairs in with shifting into reverse, where you have a backup camera, but you also have a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck, and you have a bunch of different views for that too, and even a camera for lining up a 5th wheel into the bed of your truck. But then moving up from your screen, you have you have a 12-volt power outlet up here, so you can plug something in there. And then moving down, you have your media controls, including your hazards, your lane keeping system, and your traction control shutoff. Then you have your climate controls here, just on 3 dials, very simple and easy to use. Then you have your trailer brake controller, your diesel exhaust brake, tow haul mode, and your rear park assist sensor shutoff. And you have a little cubby here. This is a push start, so that's a nice convenience. And of course you have your column shifter here. Moving on from that, down here you have a shelf, and then next to it you have 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, and your auxiliary, so you can hook up something through auxiliary as well. And then you have your 4x shifter here on the floor. You have your center console area here now, where you have 3 cup holders, your center compartment / armrest, which does have a USB inside, so you can plug something in from there. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then last but not least, you do have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.